You've probably read a lot about chemicals in women's cosmetics, and men for that point too. Men have cosmetics too, and there are a lot of chemicals in a lot of them. I'm not saying all of them, but my concern is how many chemicals are in makeup. So I kind of stumbled onto something by accident, which is the way things happen. So one day, I know I read that powder that women put on their face after they do their makeup is very, very chemical laden. So I was always looking for an alternative, but I never got around to it. So one day I ran out of powder, and guess what I used? I used organic baking flour, just all-purpose flour. I thought, well, let's try it. I took a little bit, put it on my brush, put it on my face, and voila, a translucent face powder after you put your makeup on. Who knew? It works beautifully and it's organic. If you can eat it, you can put it on your face, right? And you have a great day.